I had mentioned in my previous tutorial where I showed you how to make a round dish scrubby that I was expecting an order from Amazon. We were talking about the different colors that you can get Tulle in to make these beautiful scrubbies, and how you can make great gifts for everyone with those. And it would be nice to have lots and lots of different colors. So I was telling you about the order that I had placed in, and you get 20 different colors. It's going to be interesting to see it because I normally buy my Tulle at Walmart on that spool that I had shown you when I was showing you how to make the yellow dish scrubby. So let's go ahead and open the box, and I'll give you my first impression of the Tulle that I got. So let's go. It's a little big, so I'm going to have to move it out of the way a little bit to cut it open. Boy, there's a lot of pretty colors. Alright, so let me go ahead and put this aside and I'll show you the different colors. Okay, so this one looks like I got some more white, so I'll have plenty of white. Won't run out of that for a while. I have some silver. And these are real. This is the same size as the one that I get at Walmart. They are 6 inches wide and 25 yards. So this is almost exactly like what I picked up at Walmart. Except for this was more convenient because I had it shipped to the house. I didn't have to go out to get it. This is yellow. This is a different shade than the one we used. The one that I made the scrubby with was a lighter yellow. This one is more like a goldenrod yellow. Okay, and this one is coral. That is a pretty color. I really like the color coral. I'll have to make something with that. And I have red. Okay, this one isn't labeled. Must have fallen off, but this is definitely a shade of blue, a medium color blue. And this is purple. And I noticed something. If you look at this, it looks like, I was going to say it looked like a slightly shorter. Actually, it is a little bit shorter than 6 inches. But it just looks like it's only like 1/8 of an inch off. So that's the only one that looks like it was shorter than the rest of them. Okay, and then there's some pink. A nice light pink. And this looks like, this is like an olive green actually. And then I have another color pink. This is fuchsia. So there's the light pink and the darker pink, like a hot pink fuchsia. And this is aqua. That's a pretty color. I like that. And this one is brown. And I needed some brown because I want to show you how to make a sunflower scrubby. Okay, and this one here, Tulle fabric. Oh, plum. I thought it was brown at first, but with some better lighting, I guess it is a dark plum color. Okay, and this is orange. And then this is emerald green. Okay, so this looks like a light blue. They call it Copenhagen. It's the color. They call it Copenhagen. All right. Okay, and this one is peach. So if you put it next to the orange, you can see it's much lighter. They call it peach. This one is navy blue. And this one is a smoke blue, they call it. There's one more, and this one, ivory. All right. Wow, that's a lot of pretty colors. I really like it. So I won't be running out of Tulle anytime soon. And I'm surprised because for the price, all of these 20 colors, and you know, at Walmart I buy them and they are $1.99 for one, and for one spool. And I actually thought, because it was a set of 20 and for the price, I thought that these were going to be like smaller than 25 yards. I thought I was going to get a lot less. So I'm actually very pleased. It's more than I expected, to be honest with you. So I'm very happy. I love the colors. I think they're very pretty. I'm going to go ahead and show you those again. They're really, really pretty. So as you can tell, since I have so much Tulle, we'll be doing a lot of tutorials with scrubbies. And I think everyone's going to be getting a lot of gifts this year. And a lot of those gifts are going to be scrubbies. I'll tell you, I'm very pleased with the quality of it. It's great, and the colors are beautiful. So I hope that you enjoyed the unboxing of my Amazon order. Thank you for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.